Olá, let me tell you about artigos definidos, definite articles. Definite articles in Portuguese are tiny words who normally appear before a noun. So they roughly translate to the English word the, but of course in Portuguese you have more than one definite article because Portuguese noun have gender and number. That is, in front of a masculine noun such as supermercado, you would find the article o supermercado, the supermarket. And then in front of a feminine noun such as farmácia, pharmacy, you would find a farmácia, the pharmacy. And you would use them in sentences such as o supermercado está aberto, the supermarket is open. And a definite article, it means that you know, or who is listening to you knows the supermarket you are referring to. And same for a farmácia está fechada, the pharmacy is closed. It's a specific pharmacy you're talking about. And then, of course, if you are talking about multiple supermarkets, os supermercados with os, and then as farmácias, the pharmacy, multiple pharmacies, then, of course, in English, you wouldn't necessarily translate os and as. So, os supermercados estão abertos no domingo, or supermarkets open on Sunday. So you wouldn't necessarily translate the word. And then same for the example below, as farmácias estão fechadas no domingo, pharmacies are closed on Sunday. So, o, a, os, as, u for masculine and singular words, a for feminine and singular words, os for masculine and plural words, as for feminine and plural words. Of course, it's not always easy to understand the gender of a Portuguese word, but as a general and initial rule, before I tell you more about it, you might want to remember that masculine words tend to end in O, and feminine words, or many feminine words, end in A. And then, of course, S, it's an indicator of plural when you're talking about multiple items. So OS normally indicates masculine and plural words, and AS normally indicates feminine and plural words.